Hello everyone, welcome back to 7th grade math, and today we're going to be learning how to identify reflections, rotations, and translations. We're also going to learn what they are and how to figure them out, and maybe even how to find them. So the question asks us, look at this shape. Which image shows a translation? So in this case, there's technically 4 types, but we're only going to focus on 3 of them. There is a translation, rotation, and reflection. These are the main basic 3 things about how you can change shapes and you basically learn how to figure them out. So in this case, it's asking us which image shows a translation. A translation is when you take a shape and when you move it. So when you move it like this, if you move it to here, I know that's a really bad arrow. If you move it to here, it will be called a translation. In another case, there's another thing called a rotation. I'll spell it out for you. A rotation is basically when you move it, but you kind of rotate it. Everyone knows that rotating is you go either this way, you move it that way, or you go counterclockwise or clockwise. So those are 2 ways that's rotation. And in this case, let's try and figure out which one is a rotation and a translation. There's another thing called reflection, like when you look in the mirror, you see a reflection of yourself or a reflection of an object you put in the mirror, in front of the mirror. That's basically the same thing. A reflection is just a mirror image of the shape itself on the coordinate plane or wherever it's located. So in this case, we're asked to find the translation. As we know, translation is moving. So normally you would say that A is the translation, isn't it? Yes, of course. A is the translation, because when you move it, you will get that particular number. For B over here, B is a rotation because you're moving it counterclockwise or clockwise. You can say either way. And C in this case would be the reflection. Let's try one more. Look at this shape. Which image shows a rotation? So we're asked to find the rotation. So basically, if we move it in a counterclockwise or clockwise symbol, we know it's not C because C is a translation. We know that it's not B because B is a reflection, so it has to be A. Let's check our answer. And it's correct. Let's do one more. Look at this shape. Which image shows a translation? Translation is moving, so in A, it does move. So it should be that one. But let's check the others just to make sure. C, I would say it's a reflection, because if you move it, it's technically a reflection. And B is the rotation. Let's check our answer. And it was correct. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was a short one. I hope I helped you understand the concept of how to identify reflections, rotations, and translations. Please make sure to check out my other videos and comment down below any questions, comments, or ideas you have on next videos or this current video. And subscribe and like if you enjoyed it. And I'll see you all next time. Have a great day.